So this is beautiful. When you have a real estate fund, you can more and less self-deal. So let's say you're a broker, you're a licensed person, you do mortgage loans, you do real estate license brokerage activities, you have a contractor's license, you're gonna develop and use your own equipment for the development, etc. What we do in the real estate fund, in my structure, we give you 9 disclosures that say, you're not full-time in the fund, you do your own deals. We are actually also, you may buy a property close to the real estate fund property that may compete or benefit, etc. You may bring joint venture partners that will come in that will actually enhance the results. You may use some people that with whom you have relationships with and may get better prices or worse prices, but you know they're gonna get the job done. You may actually use your own license to get better deals or get paid a commission. You may actually do an assignment fee into the fund and get paid even though we charge no fees. You may do an assignment fee to the fund and the fund will continue paying what's promised. 9 disclosures, I don't want to go through all of them, but you got the idea. It gives you the full power. As a matter of fact, I want to say to you this. One of the things we've done is, let's say all you had was 200,000, you got the first deal. You got it under contract at 600,000, you put 200,000 down payment, got a loan for 400. But when you got it, that 600,000 was a vacant building and you put a big tenant. So now it's worth $1 million. You put 200,000. That's all the money you had, you didn't have any extra money. So you have 200,000 down payment, $400,000 loan. You have a big tenant, property's worth $1 million. So 400,000 loan, $1 million property. You can set up a fund. And all you do is raise money to tell them, look at this property. I'm gonna actually raise 250,000 and cash myself out so I can go find other deals. So you will get paid from this property, if that's what you wanna do. Boom, they like that you have a McDonald's or a Jack in the Box, the lease 10 years or whatever, they give you the money, you cash yourself out. So literally the 200 goes right here. This is an LLC, you can put the LLC shares right from you being the owner to your fund, which is you on turbo, okay? Got your 200, go buy another property, put a tenant in through the joint venture program or by yourself, and then boom, raise more money, cash yourself out. And if each property is just paying the investor and cash flowing for you, maybe 1,500 bucks, that's all. You are building, all the upside is yours, 400,000 per property. So 10 days later, you're making 15,000 a month and you have 4 million in equity. Now, if that doesn't turn you on, I don't know what else to say. So watch this one again. There is a lot of stuff that I said today that I feel people have to rewind and listen again, but this is life-changing stuff, guys. And the reason I'm so excited is because I have seen now with COVID and markets going down and up and war and all this, how my triple net strategy, my QSRs have worked magic for me in my lifetime. Just this morning, I was talking to Ashley and I said, I think I've been blessed to focus on this and get momentum with it because I can see what chaos the world is in. People, like some people with their hatred to politicians, whether the Republicans or the Democrats, are spewing bad news and misinformation to confuse the market. Stay focused, stay blessed, you will make the money.